Making cutouts for electrical boxes is quick and easy with a drywall router. Here's how. Push all wires to the back of boxes with the power off, and mark locations on the floor. Then position the drywall and tack it in place, keeping screws at least 24 inches from boxes to avoid blowout. Then transfer box locations to the drywall. Next, adjust the router so the bit extends about 1/8 to 1/4 inch past the thickness of the drywall. Then turn the router on, line the bit up with the mark, and plunge it into the drywall, quickly moving until you hit the edge. Then pull the bit, jump it to the outside of the box, and trace around it in a counterclockwise motion. Routing counterclockwise against perimeters uses the bit's rotation to help maintain contact with the box, resulting in a cleaner cut. When routing against interior perimeters, such as window and door openings, follow the same procedure but reverse the direction, routing clockwise to help maintain contact and get a clean cut flush with the edge of the opening.